This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to change the voice language in Claude. So logged into your Claude account, you can see that mine says back at it Matthew. In order to find these settings, we need to come down to the very bottom. You'll see a picture of yourself or an initial. In my case, I've got the M there. I've clicked the M at the bottom there, and then right at the top we are going to click on settings. So once settings is open, we're on general settings by default. That is fine. We will scroll down to here, and then we've got the voice settings right here, as you can see. So we've got language, which is what we're going to cover here, but also we've got style, so you can change the style of the voice as well. And we also have speed, so you can do slow, normal, or fast. Now for the language, mine is set to English, of course. You can have lots of different languages. We will click there. Now we've got English India, we've got UK English, we've got Chinese, French, we've got French Canadian, German, Hindi, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, etc., etc. So lots of different language options there. Spanish is there if you need it as well. There's Turkish and Ukraine. So whatever language you want, you can make your selection there. So if I wanted German, I would select German. And now we've got actually different options for the style. That's interesting. And you know, maybe you want Korean, and we've got different options there for the style. So that's how you will change the voice language. I'm going to flick it back to English now so I don't get confused. And yeah, that's how you change the voice language on Claude. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.